Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting topic in the world of DevOps and cloud, blue-green deployment. We are going to walk through how to use this approach to deploy a Flask application on AWS using Code Deploy. Even if you're new to these topics, don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is blue-green deployment? In the simplest terms, it's a strategy for releasing applications that reduces downtime and risk by running two identical production environments, named blue and green. The blue environment is the live or production environment, while the green is idle. When we have a new version of the application, we deploy it on the idle environment. Once we test and verify everything, we switch the router so that all incoming requests now go to the new version. Now, onto the tech stack we'll be using. Flask is a popular micro-web framework in Python. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is a secure cloud services platform, and AWS Code Deploy is a deployment service that automates application deployments to various compute services such as Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, AWS Lambda, and servers running on-premise. First things first, make sure you have your application ready to deploy. For this example, we are going to use a simple Flask application. To start with the deployment process, we will need to have two environments set up on AWS, named blue and green. These will be our EC2 instances. Ensure that both these instances are identical. The same version of the application must be deployed on both environments. Also, ensure that Code Deploy agent is installed on both instances. Next, we'll create a deployment group. Deployment group specifies the set of instances on which you want to deploy the applications. In our case, we will create two deployment groups, one for blue and one for green. We'll build our application and push the changes to AWS Code Commit, which is a Git-based source control service. Code Commit will store our application securely in the cloud and will trigger Code Deploy to start the deployment process. In Code Deploy, we will set up two deployments, one for the blue environment, which is a live environment, and one for the green environment, which is idle at the moment. Now, let's deploy the new version of our Flask application to the green environment. After the deployment, it's crucial to thoroughly test our application in the green environment before making the switch. If everything is working as expected, it's time to perform the switch. For the final step, we update our router so that all incoming requests are now directed to the green environment. The green environment becomes the new production environment, and the blue environment, the previous version, becomes idle. And that's it. We've successfully implemented a blue-green deployment for our Flask app using AWS Code Deploy. Remember, the major advantage of this approach is that it reduces downtime and risk by providing a rollback mechanism. If something goes wrong, you can quickly switch back to the blue environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.